Do you struggle with playing drum fills? I remember when I struggled with this as well. I got to the point where I could play beats very easily, but when I'd play fills, I'd feel off balance and out of control. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to practice drum fills step by step using 3 different fill examples so that you can use them smoothly in your playing. And at the end of the video, I've got a bonus for you. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a professional drummer who's also been teaching private drum lessons for over 20 years. And now I'm trying to pass on all that knowledge to you. Okay, the first thing we need to talk about is why drum fills seem more difficult than playing drum beats. The reason why drum beats are usually easier is that normally you're playing the same thing over and over without deviating from that. When you think about it, that's how you learn to play a rock beat. Because you play a rock beat over and over like that, you eventually develop muscle memory. Eventually you just kind of put that on automatic pilot and you don't even have to think about it. There are 2 reasons why fills are more difficult. The first is that you're getting away from that beat that you were playing over and over. It's like an interruption in the flow. You can't be on automatic pilot anymore when you're playing fills. The second thing is that fills are usually improvised. Not only are you getting away with the flow that you're usually creating with the beat, but the fills are constantly changing. By the way, if this is making sense to you, please click that like button. That really helps me to grow this channel. Thank you in advance. So how do we solve these 2 obstacles? Number 1, practice each fill individually with the beat that you want to play. Play it over and over at different tempos until it's easy for you. When you think about it, that's the same way that you learned to play those beats. You get control over the fills the same way you got control over the beats. Here's an example. Notice how I'm playing this over and over the same way using the exact same sticking. A little faster. So you want to do this process with each fill that you learn. Here's our second fill. A little faster. And here is our third fill. Notice that each fill is on count 4 of the second measure. They are each 1 count long. That's important because you don't want to start practicing both short and long fills at the same time. In the beginning, that's too difficult. Just keep it simple and keep everything consistent. Okay, so what happens next? The next thing you want to do is you want to start mixing up the 3 fills that you learned. And you want to do this over and over at different tempos. All right, I'm gonna go a little faster. So this is the process that will give you control over your fills. You'll find them easier and easier to play. And again, the reason this works is that we took them one at a time, just like the beats that you've learned to play. You can use these 2 steps to learn new fills as well. Master the new fill individually, then start mixing it in with the other 3 that you know. So in this video, we did 1 count fills, and that's the best place to start. To further develop your ability to play fills, the next thing is to start practicing 2 count fills. For instance, let's take the first 2 fills that we learned and combine them into a 2 count fill. A little faster. So then you do exactly what we did before. The second thing is you take 2 or more 2-count fills and master those individually and then start mixing them together. A little faster. So that's how you get control of your drum fills. Now for the bonus that I mentioned earlier. As a thank you for watching today, I have a free gift that I'd like to send you. I have a list of 10 beats that all drummers need to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. And this comes with an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Again, all free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Please comment below and tell me if there are things other than drum fills that you're struggling with, or if you'd just like to comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have another video called 8 rock fills for beginning drummers that I know will also really help you. Please watch that next, and we'll see you next time.